Virat Kohli opened up on his relationship with wife Anushka Sharma during an Instagram live session with teammate Ravichandran Ashwin. Virat was full of praise for his wife's fearless approach when she decides on a script for her project, be it as an actor or as a producer. Her making choices of what she wants to do as a project, as a film, as an actor, or as a producer comes from the right place. She's a person who always does the right thing. She follows her gut. She follows her instincts and she follows it to the T, Kohli told Ashwin.
Right. Now, in your household right now, there are two excellent people, right? You are excellent in your field, and Anushka is excellent in her field. So when you have two such excellent people in the same, household, how do you like cross verify this excellence? Is there a mode that you actually have where you discuss what do you do, how do I go about it? Do you discuss that?
I think the best thing is that when you have a life partner who's also working at a level of excellence, as you mentioned, in her own field, she can totally understand my mindset, and I understand her mindset, and it becomes so easy to have conversations about what you're going through. What is it that is making you feel good or bad, or what happened during the day that sort of mentally put you down or mentally boosted your confidence. Small conversations like that. I think when two people are on the same wavelength, those conversations are very, very easy. And as you rightly pointed out, Anushka is brilliant at what she does. At her craft, she's outstanding. And for us, having conversations at that level is that much easier because she understands exactly what I'm saying. Without even me talking, with my body language, she can understand what I'm going through on the field. So that is the level of connect that happens when two people are at the same wavelength. And yeah, it's an amazing thing to experience.
It will surely be difficult for a lot of couple to understand that chemistry. But yes, Virat, I mean that's the truth. But see, for example, let's take Anushka's field for an example, and she has to choose a script which she's going to do or which she's going to produce or whatever it is, and choosing that script gets her to a certain destiny or excellence or whatever it is. Likewise, if you compare a cricketer, you've spoken about so much of your fitness regimen that's taken you where it's taken you today. How do you know, as a cricketer or anybody in life, forget about just being a cricketer, that when you are embarking on a certain route, that this is the route, I will persevere with this? Is there a trick where you make that decision?
Look, I would give you an example of Anushka first. Her making choices of what she wants to do as a project, as a film, as an actor, or as a producer comes from the right place. She's a person who always does the right thing, and she follows her gut, she follows her instinct, and she follows it to the T. She's absolutely fearless. So when she does that, she believes in that project, and I think that is key. That is something that I have also learned looking at her. To have that belief that you're doing the right thing, then whatever happens left, right, center, you're not bothered by it. There's a lot of negativity that comes your way, and she's strong enough to go through all that. So I have seen that, and I have learned that from her, because the more you keep growing and the more you keep going forward, there are a lot of doubts that come left, right, center. So that is something that you need to keep away. And I think in cricket, it's the same thing. If I believe, before a game, you feel like today, I feel like I'm going to bowl like this. As a batsman, I'm going to play positively today. And that spark always comes to everyone. It's, do you have the will to follow that spark
right
to the hilt? Because sometimes I felt like today I'm going to go out there and be positive. Then I won't ask 5 people, I'm thinking of playing positive. What do you think? No. If I'm convinced, I'm going to go and do it. And if I fail, I'm going to own up to my failures. I think that's very important. Sometimes we feel like, yes, there's some positive spark, but then we sort of take confirmation around us, and then that spark sort of goes down, and then doubt creeps in. Should I or should I not? When you're absolutely sure of what you want to do, you're just sitting there and you're just waiting to be in the pressure situation and be like, okay, this is what I committed myself to. I'm just going to go out there and follow my heart, and let's see what happens. That thing of saying, let's see what happens, because I feel I'm making the right decision, and if it doesn't go right, I will accept it. But I won't curb my instinct just to entertain my doubts. I think that clarity is very, very important.
Right. I don't think you could have nailed it any better. You're just saying, believe in it and just go through it without having any doubt. So it'll
Absolutely.
Great.
Virat said David Warner is busy making TikTok videos and has asked him to post one too. Virat said he would respond soon.
In fact, as we said that in Australia, they have started playing competitive tennis, having their own set of balls. So I think things will change and pan out. Because I just saw David Warner make a comment here, so I wanted to ask him did he watch any tennis matches? So anyway,
I think
that's
he's
Virat.
making TikTok videos.
Yeah, it's hilarious. It's unbelievable.
He's been after my life.
Has he? Okay.
He's been asking me to do one. I haven't
You know what
responded
you
yet, but I will.
No, I mean, I think if there is a dinosaur thing that TikTok has, you should definitely give it a go.
I think that might become a feature on it now.
I think so. I think it should. And there were people who were talking about it and said dinosaur on the loose. Yeah, so that's. and
there were so many memes, they were hilarious.
Yeah, it was last chat I was having. Sangakkara just told me that he's a dinosaur at social media, which means he's in the past, and it was unreal. Man. It was unreal.